Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Super excited for today's video. It's all about bronzers, okay? We're in bronzing season and I'm going to share with you some of my favorite bronzers, okay? I'm gonna put one on this side, one on that side, and then we're gonna get directly into swatching a bunch of bronzers. So if you wanna see what that list includes and what this cute thing is on my head, just keep watching and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I appreciate it when you do. Now let's jump in. Okay guys, before I jump into this video, of course I have to talk about my Breezy Tee product of the day. Rocking a brand new product, our Rust Orange Twist Headband. Love these things. I still can't get over just how beautifully soft and comfortable this fabric is. Okay, so stretchy as you saw there, so lots of room, incredibly comfortable. They come in lots of colors. Change the twist. I like the twist in the front of my head primarily, but you put the twist where you want. We have a barely there seam in the back. So you can put the back in the front if you like, the wider part, or play around with where you want your twist. We make all our products ourselves, okay? And yeah, this is just a fun new product. I think it's really fun for summer. Comes in lots of colors. We have a couple of prints. If you want to check out any of our new twist headbands, just visit us at breezytee.com or our Etsy shop. Links will be in the description below. Every time I wear like a bright twist headband, and if I have on a bright lipstick, I don't know why I feel like it's tapping more into my Hispanic side. It cracks me up every single time. Yeah, so that's just an aside. So let's get into this video. This video is all about bronzers, okay? I'm gonna try to fill in some gaps here. Not a lot coming out that interests me, so I wanna keep creating content. So I'm probably gonna be doing some favorite videos along the way, whether it's my favorite new lipsticks, break lipsticks down, berry lipsticks, dark lips, brown lipsticks, favorite bronzers, blushes, doing stuff like that. As well as I asked you guys, you seem to be interested in me revisiting some things and telling you my thoughts, so I might try to categorize those as well. Maybe I'll do it by brand. Maybe I'll do like Chanel products I'm still loving a couple of months later, Dior products I'm still loving a couple of months later, so we can talk about what I like, maybe something that didn't work. Don't be disappointed because I'm not going to tell you many things that didn't work. I tend to like a lot of stuff. So yeah, but that's probably what's going to happen on the channel. Try to throw in some new stuff as well. But yeah, today is all about bronzers, which I'm excited about. So we're just gonna swatch. That's what it's about. I'm gonna swatch. I'm gonna start. I haven't put bronzer on. So I'm gonna put 2 bronzers on, and then we're just gonna get into swatching some of my favorite bronzers. And I expect you guys to tell me what your favorite bronzers are in the comments. So this should be a pretty easy and quick vid. Let's jump straight in. So for my face today, on this side, I'm going to put my Bouche Rouge shade. So this is a swatch of, this is Bouche Rouge La Terre Intense color. This is the intense shade. This is the deeper shade. So Bouche Rouge, I have all their products on my channel. You can find all these products on my channel if you search, and I have actually a lot of Bouche Rouge on my face today. So you can see it here. This is the first swatch. I'm going to use my Bouche Rouge brush as well. Just gonna do half the face. And I say it in all bronzer videos, just be mindful. I like to wear my bronzers pretty, in a pretty subtle way. So you're never gonna get crazy bronzing. I like subtle bronzing, okay? And lights are on, so sometimes it's tricky if it's more subtle to come across, but hopefully you guys always see the shades. So this is, again, La Terre Intense shade from Bouche Rouge. I'm just building it up because for the video. Because for me, I'm seeing it, it's more than enough. Okay, this is the side that has been bronzed, and then this side not. We'll get to that one now. Just quickly, I wanted to swatch the other Bouche Rouge one I have, La Terre Brune, okay? So this is the deeper one, this is intense, and this one is the Brune, the brown one. So this is subtle on me, but I absolutely adore it. This is more subtle on me, but I adore it. So those are the two from the Bouche Rouge. On this side of the face, let's use the Gucci. Okay, Eclat Soleil. 04 is this number, bronzing powder. So the Gucci 04 bronzing powder. Let me get this on the face. Now this one is a little bit more, this is one of the more orange bronzers that I have, but I'm a fan of this bronzer. And of course the packaging, because it's Gucci. So I'm not gonna do too much here. You should be able to see. It's kind of matching rather nicely. The La Bouche Rouge one. This is gonna be the longest part of this video. After I have it on my face, we are getting straight into swatches. Okay, we're good. So clean beauty, if you don't know La Bouche Rouge, completely clean beauty. So we have that here with La Bouche Rouge bronzing. We have Gucci on the other side. I think they're both doing a really nice job, frankly. That's why they're two of my favorites. Now, let me swatch Gucci and then we'll just keep the swatches going. My face is looking warm, guys, okay? I'm loving it. Next, this is the Gucci swatch, okay? So Gucci, La Bouche Rouge here, both La Bouche Rouges. Gucci, just be mindful, I will have swatches on my Instagram, so you can follow me there. You can come by and check them out, and I will have swatches with the names on them. Okay, so next up we have the Bobbi Brown Bronzing Powder in Deep. I've always found this one a little deep for me, but I still really, really like it. So this is one that I've worn a lot, okay? So I don't know if it showed you. So the Bobbi Brown Deep bronze here. Okay, so next up we have the Wayne Goss Radiance Boosting Face Palette Deep Copper Bronze and Sculpt. It fell, and so a little problem here. But I swatch this how I wear it, which is I use both. I just dip it into both pans. Fantastic formula. This is the Wayne Goss Deep one for me, okay? Really, really love this one on me. Again, you can find all these on my page. You can see the colors swatched individually. Since we're on a makeup artist kick, I had to throw this one in there. This is the Natasha Denona Tan Palette Bronzer. Obsessed with this bronzer, okay? So y'all know, this is the Tan Bronze and Glow Palette. This bronzer is such a winner. Love the shade. Oh, and I also wanted to mention that the Gucci one has little flecks in there, shimmer flecks. So that's the only one so far. Seeing a pattern here with colors that work on me. Let's keep this going. Okay, so here's my beloved Westman Atelier. Let's see the name. Beauty Butter Powder Bronzer. This one is in Soleil Riche, okay? If you notice, there's not a lot of like straight browns. This La Bouche Rouge, La Terre, Brune brown one is probably the most brown. A lot of them are more orange, okay? Maybe some red leaning. The deep Bobbi Brown leads red. But yeah, so this one is my Westman Atelier. Okay, so next up, I threw in some Chanel. Okay, so here is getting tricky to hold my arm. This is the Chanel Deep Cream. This is the new Tan Cream, and then this is the new deep powder that just came out. I've just reviewed these just recently on my channel. So these are the 3 Chanel shades, all kind of stacking up. And this is why I did not get the new Charlotte Tilbury. Even though it looks beautiful, I have more than enough bronzers. We're winding down, we're winding down. Next up, I have Dior Forever Natural Bronze, 05 Warm Bronze, and then 6 Amber Bronze. So 5 here, 6 here. These are certainly more brown than the other ones. Okay, and now for a stunner of a bronzer. This is my Victoria Beckham Beauty Matte Bronzing Brick Warm and Contour number 3. Okay, this is 03 that I wear. And again, I mix them together. Here is Victoria Beckham Beauty Stunner of bronzer, beautiful formula. Okay, Really, really nice. And then the final one we have is the Chantecaille Real Goa Bronze. Beautiful, beautiful formula. Even though I think it wears sometimes a little deep for me, still a really beautiful formula. I've officially run out of arm space. Okay, this is the Chantecaille bronzer. Now I have a couple like Guerlain that I just haven't worn enough to be in a favorite video. They're nice, but I just haven't worn it enough. And then the same thing with this one. I'm gonna give it honorable mention though because it intrigues me so much. The Kosas medium golden bronze bronzer. Here that one is. The thing with this is it has such a like a metallic almost sheen on me. I just haven't figured out how to wear it, but I'm intrigued by it, so I'm gonna challenge myself to this summer to wear this one a bit more just to get used to it because it's very pretty, but I see it and it looks almost like eyeshadow, right? It looks like eyeshadow, not so much like a bronzer. I can't explain it. It's more the finish than the color. Okay, so here are my favorite bronzers. Beautiful formulas. I like trying out the different ones from the different brands, and you know, they're all really, really beautiful. Different formulas, different textures, some different finishes, but really, really beautiful. And I do get a nice amount of use out of them, but as you can see, it's not a category that I need any more of anytime soon. Okay guys, so that was quick and easy. So those are my favorite bronzers. Now let me know what your favorite bronzers are in the comments. You like some clean beauty bronzers, you like the designer bronzers, you have some drugstore bronzers that you absolutely love. Share it all with me in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I appreciate it when you do. And if you want to check out any of our new twists, headbands, any of our t-shirt, hair towel wraps, satin line beanies, satin line knit beanies, boho head wraps, and all our other hair accessories, that just visit us at breezytee.com. I will check you guys in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.